Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we have something exciting to discuss, a technological marvel that's been making waves in the world of artificial intelligence. I'm talking about Chat GPT. But what exactly is Chat GPT? Stay tuned as we unravel the mysteries behind this incredible conversational AI. So what is Chat GPT? In simple terms, Chat GPT is a language model developed by OpenAI. It stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and it's part of a family of AI models designed to understand and generate human-like text. Now, let's delve into how Chat GPT works. It's trained on a vast amount of internet text, learning the patterns and nuances of human language. This pre-training allows it to understand context, grammar, and even specific topics. What sets Chat GPT apart is its conversational abilities. It can engage in dialogue, answer questions, and provide information on a wide range of topics. Let's put it to the test. The applications of ChatGPT are vast. From content creation to customer support, it's being used in various industries. Let's explore some interesting use cases. Like any technology, ChatGPT has its limitations. It may generate incorrect or biased information based on the data it was trained on. It's essential to be aware of these challenges. What does the future hold for ChatGPT? OpenAI is continually working on improvements and addressing its limitations. Stay tuned for exciting developments. And there you have it, ChatGPT in a nutshell, a powerful tool with incredible potential. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech updates. Thanks for watching.